Now next method which we have to study is leaching. Leaching means this is another method which is very important for extra concentration of ore. In this powder, it is treated with leaching means treated with some reagent, suitable reagent like acid, base or any other thing, in which what this substance will do, this substance will react, dissolves with ore and form some another complex, but it will not react with the gangue particles, that is the impurities. It will not react with impurities, and impurities will settle down as it is. Now this is known as leaching. Again I am repeating, treating powdered ore with suitable reagent which can selectively dissolve the ore but not the gangue. And in this way we can remove the ore can be concentrated by removing the impurities. I will discuss here with the bleaching of bauxite. That bauxite, you know, that is the ore of aluminium. Bauxite formula also you know, and the method is known as Bayer's process. In this, pure alumina from bauxite has to be obtained. The impurities which is present in this bauxite is iron oxide, silica dioxide, tin dioxide is present, and these are the impurities of present in the impure alumina. Now how to find out? See, impure alumina is taken. In this sodium hydroxide, which is a reagent that is added along with some amount of water. Here you have to maintain the temperature and pressure. 473 to 523 Kelvin temperature has to be maintained. 35 to 36 bar pressure has been maintained. Now in this what happened? This sodium hydroxide reacts with the impure alumina or alumina and forms sodium meta-aluminate. This sodium meta-aluminate complex is formed. And see the silica, the impurity, the silica which is present, it reacts with sodium hydroxide and also forms this. So two are coming, but rest to these two are not reacting. And this can be filtered off and this can be removed and in the another steps. So in this way, next what we have to do, now this solution which you are getting complex solution is filtered, it is cooled, and then its pH is adjusted. Now it is highly concentrated. In order to adjust the pH, either you have to do the dilution, addition of water, or carbon dioxide has been taken. Here we will see what happens with the carbon dioxide. The sodium meta-aluminate which is formed, from this we have to obtain a pure alumina. So this complex reacts with carbon dioxide and you will get sodium bicarbonate. This sodium will be removed in the form of sodium bicarbonate and the impure alumina is obtained, Al2O3.3H2O. When you will do the balancing, you will find that this is 3H2O actually coming, but X is written because further it has been diluted and you don't know how much amount of water gets attached to it. So generally we were writing the impure form of alumina, we have to mention X molecules of water. So this impure alumina is when heated to for 1473 Kelvin temperature, this X molecule of water gets removed and the pure alumina is obtained. From this pure alumina, that is the oxide form of aluminium, further step, next step, we will see how we can obtain aluminium from this aluminium oxide.